Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I am sharing with you my setup for February for putting in things in my planner for the month ahead and planning out the themes that I'm going to use for February in my planners. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that I'm going to do, and I mentioned this in my setup, if you haven't seen my setup video for my Frankenplanner, I will link that here. But what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to change this. This is a reversible Happy Planner cover. This is an old cover, but look at that. If that doesn't scream February, I don't know what does. So I'm just going to take that. I'm just going to take the back one off and literally just flip them around. That's what I'm going to do. And probably when I do March, I'm just going to flip that back and that'll be it for the quarter. I might change them out each quarter. I've not decided, but February, that is February. Can we just say that is February? Now, I don't have a dashboard yet for February. Normally, I would have done this by now, but with the power outages, the winds, the fires, and everything, I am not on track right now. And that's why I feel I need to get this done. Today is the 19th. Today's the 19th, and I want to get this done because we have another red flag warning, and I want to get this done and uploaded and scheduled so that it's up. Hopefully by the time this is up, you would have already seen it on my email or whatever. But yeah, this, it's not done. That's all I got to say about that. It's not done. All right, so February. I already put in here, this was from a different video, but here I have things, I'm going to call it things for the month. So I know I have a birthday. I also have here, I have another thing. I need to get a pen. I have a Zoom this day. 8th Zoom, one little word, and that is a vision board Zoom. So I would like to attend that. The 10th, I need to remember, I'm just going to rip that, need to remember stories by the month add-ons, and I'm going to put Digi, and I'm going to put arrows because I forgot to add it in January, and then I had to email them, and it was a bit of a palaver, but I did get it in the end. That's all I've got to say about that. Got the full, got the noon, that's everything. That's everything that I need so far. Again, we're having the roof done right now. I've got my goals in. I'm good. I'm good. I've done the prep. Woohoo! I've done the prep ahead of time. So this was from a previous video that I did for my patrons, and I was just sharing how I would plan for the whole year, and I am not going to do this because because I found something else to use. So I'm going to do this in a different way. I'm just going to put all the sticky notes in because now we are doing the weeks, and we will plan what themes we're going to do each week. The only one that I need to redate is this one, which is the 24th to the 2nd, question mark? Yes, 24th to the 2nd. Okay, so for my dashboard, this is my catch-all planner, I put to use Mixed Media Mom or Free Spirit and the pastels, and or like I can use any of these. In case you missed it, this is what I have this month. These are Dollar Tree. These are in Dollar Tree right now. They're super cute. These are the wool decals mixed with the Bolden blush or something similar. Anyway, so I'm going to use Mixed Media Mom, I think. That's going to go there. For this, I am going to use, and I've got out the sticker book so you can see what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Cheerful Seasons. I have 2 of these. I mentioned this in a previous video. I bought it by mistake twice. And it has these. I've got a full sheet there. And then these. Because all I need is a few, I'm going to call it a few things. So I'm hoping that there's enough there that I can use those for Valentine's spread. Yeah, I'm hoping to do that. So I'm going to put Cheerful Seasons and I'm going to put and colourful boxes or something to go with this colour, this apricot-y peach type colour. Whatever colour we're calling this colour, because I would like it to match. So some boxes, I put colourful boxes for that. So that's my monthly. So the first week, I went back and forth over what I was going to use for this. What I think I'm going to use is this. This is from the washi tape shop because it's red, it's polka dotty, it's kind of beautiful. So I'm thinking this. I'm going to say washi tape shop tea set. I'm going to say red, and because I'll need like other washi tape, and I'm thinking either the rainbow book or the 1, 2, 3, 4 to go with it. That's what I'm thinking right now, because the rainbow book seems like the best option there. So that is for the first week. And then we have Valentine's Day, and I'm going to do my Patreon printable, and that will be a floral. Then for the week of the 17th, we have Wildlife Day. That is on the 22nd. Now, if you're not sure about all these days and stuff like that, if you're not on my email list, get on my email list or sign up for Patreon, and you will get a full list of fun ideas for spreads for the coming month. I have a few options here for this. I have a few options. I'm either going to use, or I could use all of them. That's the other thing. I'm either going to use this set in the big colour story. This set in the big colour story, because I've only got a few things left and I would like to use those. I'm feeling this. So maybe it's that. I'm going to put 3 down just in case I feel like I need a bit of colour, but that doesn't have much colour. Big colour story. Or I thought the tropical boho for a bit of fun, because it's got like fun colours and stuff. So that's always a possibility. Or wild plants, because I love wild plants. I love wild plants, can't help it. So that is the week of the 17th. The week of the 24th, it is on the 1st, Pig Day. And I'm going to do a printable, I think. That's its possibility. I'm going to put question mark. I'm going to put question mark just in case I don't feel like doing that. So that is that. And then for February here, are these all going to be like wildly themed? Yeah. February here, I'm not sure. Why? I'm thinking colourful leopard for some reason. I'm going to put colourful leopard. I don't know why I'm thinking that, but there's a sticker book. What's the other one called? There's another one. Similar. I'm going to look through my sticker books right now. Hang on. It might just jog my memory. Wild something teacher. Wild something teacher, you know. I know the one I mean. There's a wild one. I can't think what it's called right now, but it's got this colour in, I'm pretty sure of it. Anyway, moving on. All right, so for this one, all I do in here is mostly just put my workout of the day. Sometimes I track steps, sometimes I track workouts, how I feel, like I use it as a tracker. What I thought, again, I'm trying to use stickers, right? That's my purpose for this. I'm trying to use stickers. I'm thinking about using this. This is the old seasonal book, and it has these, and I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I can combine that with a few of the stickers and the rainbow book and make a spread. Can I use like something like that? Because I don't need a lot of decor. So I'm thinking about using this seasonal. That is 2016. I'm going to put plus rainbow plus, I think it's the quotes book. All old. I'm going to put all old. Because I feel like I just need to start using this. I need to start using this. So that's the plan behind that. And then we have the first week. Now for the first week, this is the 3rd to the 9th. I'm going to, again, I'm trying to be a bit different. And I can change these up. They're not like set in stone because I was thinking about using this because of these, because of the hearts. Because of the hearts. See, now I'm thinking, hang on, bold and blush. I'm going to put heart. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to change those. Because I could use all the hearts in here then. And then that would be there. Okay, we're going to do that instead. It's fine. This is why I change things. I've got a thing in here already, Valentine's Day, seasonal. That's just from that other video. Never mind. So I got here. This is the 10th to the 16th. And on the 15th, it's Whale Day. Now, I have these. Can you see these? These are switch plate covers. They are stickers. They are stickers. I've already looked at them. Like vinyl decor. They're stickers. They're not like clings. They're proper stickers. So I'm thinking of using these with, I'm going to say colourful boxes and washi. And then we'll try and find something else as well in the stash to go with it. But I'm thinking of using these. I've got 2 whales, I've got 4 whales, some fish, and some fun stuff. So if I can just use those, that would be fantastic. These were from Dollar Tree. All right. And then the week of the 17th, 23rd, on the 19th, it is Lashes Day. Now, I interpreted that as eyelashes. And when I think of eyelashes and stickers, the major thing that I think about is Glam Girl. Because this has these things in them. I'm pretty sure I've already used the other ones. And these. So I would like to try and use the lashes. Just looking for anything else in here. I would like to try and use the lashes. There's at least 3 in there that have lashes. So, Glam Girl. And then for the final week, which is the week of the 24th to the 28th. And if you're wondering why I'm putting the dates, it's because I'm redating this. It's the 24th to the 2nd because the 28th is the end of February. So the 24th to the 2nd. The 2nd is Dr. Seuss Day. I have done 3 Dr. Seuss spreads because I got this sticker book from Dollar Tree about 2 years ago and it's still going strong. I would like to use this and start to get it used. I would like to use these, maybe go this direction and use these. I would like to use these first. I would like to use these first. So that is the plan. If I could use and get this sticker sheet out of my stash, I would be very, very happy. And then if we want to use that, we can. So what I might do, because I know red foil is also in, come on, think die, not stronger together, girl power. I'm going to put foil and I'm going to try and make it match with the rainbow book because this has got primary colours in it. So that is the plan. that is the plan. That is the plan, Stan. And rainbow. Now you might notice that I'm putting rainbow book down for quite a lot of them. It's because I have 2 of these buggers, so need to use them. All right, that is this one set up. Let me get my tarot planner. So for my tarot planner for February, what I'm thinking of using is, if I can find it on the mess of a desk, Stargazer. Now, I debated back and forth over what I was going to use for February. And I'm trying to use more, I'm going to call it tarot-y type books, like The Celestial Elegance, blah, blah, blah. But what I want to do is try and use up a book. I want to try and use up a book. So if I can use some of these stickers this month, that could be a whole spread, because I'm just decorating this bit mostly. So yeah, that's what the plan is. I'm going to try and use Stargazer and use the whole book, or at least a few sheets. Stargazer. But why? Because I have 2 of these, because I bought 2. Because the covers changed and I thought it was a different Stargazer, because they insist on calling the same books the same title with different things inside. Why can't they call it Stargazer 2? Just call them something different. Don't call them the same thing. So yes, that is the plan for that. And I'm going to put and washi, because I do like to use my washi. But yeah, that is the plan for that. And I am going to put in my moons in here, because I have them on here, but I don't have them inside. That will be the full. That's the 27th. Yep. And that is new. All right. And that is me set up for February. Again, the sticker books that I have them to one side now, and I leave them on the bottom shelf of my planner cart so that they're ready and I don't have to think about it when I sit down to plan. Everything's ready to go. That's what I'm trying to do now. All right, I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you some insights into how to pre-plan your planner themes for the month ahead. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.